Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video we're gonna see how to find area of square using Python language. Actually, Python is a very easy and simple language to understand, so watch till end. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So let's get into video. So guys, here we're gonna write this program, so let's write that program. So first of all, what is the side of the square? Which means that is what we are going to give it as an input for the finding of the area of the square. So let's write that one. So first let's print and inverted commas, you just write enter the side of the square equal to, after I'm gonna give comma on this one, so after comma and equal to two inverted commas. Okay, and we just have to multiply that one, so we are just gonna give the value for the side, which means we are gonna give side of the square as an input, which means we are giving it doesn't get it by self, so we are just gonna give it. So I'm gonna print that one. So s equal to, it is an integer, so I'm gonna write int and input, which are we are gonna input, and in two brackets it's close. Okay, and we just have to multiply the side of the square by itself. Okay, means if we give it 2, it must be multiplied by 2 again, which means 2 into 2 equal to 4. Therefore area of the square equal to 4. Okay, I'm gonna print two inverted commas, area of the square equal to, I'm gonna give comma and equal to two inverted commas. Okay, and we just have to multiply the s by itself. So let's print s 2 times of s, which means 2. Same if we give 2. Okay, let's run this program whether it's working or not. If it runs, it's probably I am in. Okay, it asks the enter side of square, so I'm gonna give the enter side of the square. So I'm gonna get 5. See now what happens. So that just told us a of the square equal to 25, which means s into s. Here what is s? It's 5. What is the 5 into 5? Which means 25. So this program is perfect. Okay, see a of the square equal to 25. So this is our program to find the area of the square. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.